Hello students of Standard 6. Welcome to DAV Mobile Public School, Sitasongi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay students, let's begin an online session of social science. Students, in the previous online session, we have started the topic the planet Earth and the solar system. Students, in that online session, we have learned about the galaxies, about the universe and about the celestial bodies. Okay students, today's subtopic is the solar system. Okay, students, already you know that the sun, the stars, the moon, the planets, and the other objects are called the celestial bodies. These are the celestial bodies. Students, some celestial bodies include in the solar system. Okay, first of all, students, I am telling about the definition of solar system. Listen, read student first point. Definition is given. The sun and its companion. The sun and its companion of celestial bodies constitute the solar system. That means students, in the solar system, the sun and its companion celestial bodies, that means the sun and around it some celestial bodies are there. So constituently, combinedly, collectively they are called the members of solar system. See students, second point, just read that the 8 planets, then their companion satellites. Do you know satellites students? Moon is the satellite of Earth. Okay, then the 8 planets and their companion satellites, again the asteroids, meteors, comets, these are also the celestial bodies, are the member of solar system. So students, which are the members of solar system? Listen, the 8 planets, already you know that about the 8 planets: Mars, Venus, the Earth, the Jupiters, whatever. Okay students, so these 8 planets, then their satellites, asteroid, meteors and the comets are the members of solar system. Okay students, see, this is the picture of solar system. 8 planets are there. Students, these 8 planets are revolve around the sun on their fixed path, that is called the orbit. Listen students, what do you mean by the orbit? So the 8, that means the 8 planets are revolve around the sun on their fixed path, that is called the orbit. For example, students, Earth revolve around the sun through its fixed path, that is called the orbit. So this is the orbit. Okay students, one question is creating here. Listen, how did the solar system form? How did the solar system created in the universe? Okay students, some history is there. Listen students, one question sometimes just arises. This question sometimes arises in our mind. How were the sun, how were the solar system just for, how were the some systems, some galaxies are formed in the universe? Listen students, how were the sun and its companion born? Sun and its companion means include in a solar system. This refers to the solar system. Okay students, how were the sun and its companion born? This question always just arises in our mind. Okay, listen students, see, some scientists just believe that a huge cloud of gases and dust called the nebula. That means in the universe there is a nebula. Nebula means what students? A huge cloud of gases and dust. A huge cloud of gases and dust, that is called the nebula. Okay, that means according to some scientists, they believe that a huge cloud of gases and dust called the nebula appearing moving in the space, appearing just moving in the space. That means that this nebula always continuously moving in the space. Students, this is the belief of scientists. This is the some just we can say that this is the process of evolution of the solar system. Okay, so this nebula body just continuously moving in the space. Listen students, when after some time it cooled and gained a very fast rotation. Okay, so students, after sometimes this nebula body just get converted into the 8 balls, and these 8 balls are called the planets. So these are the planets. 8 planets are formed through the nebula body. Okay students, then remaining central mass of the nebula just a change into a star. This star is known as the sun. So sun and the 8 planets with their satellites companionly includes in the solar system. So in such a way that in the universe solar system is formed. Okay students, so this is the story of the evolution of the solar system. Suppose question will come in the exam, how did the solar system form? So this type of answer you have to write. So this is the formation of solar system. Okay students, in such a way that today we have learned about the Solar system, its formation. Okay, this runs on the basis of today's content. Some question I am giving you. Students, two questions in front of you. You have to write the answer of this question. Okay, students, remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Okay, students, thank you.